I've just uploaded a new skill to my Claude account, and I wanted to rename the skill name, or I wanted to rename the skill, but I didn't find any solution. I've tried to go to the skills, click on this is the skill that I want to rename. When I select edit, as you see, the skill name is not editable. So what I want, instead of mine content, I want mine underscore content. I've even tried to deactivate the skill, then try to edit it, and same thing, I can't edit it. So but I found a way, which is by instead of uploading the skill like this, click on upload. This is the skill that this is the skill that I want. This is the skill that I've just uploaded. So here I will access it from my Finder. Sorry if I've started clicking everywhere on my screen. So this is the skill that I want to add or to rename, or this skill file is exactly this skill. So what I will do, I will delete this skill first. Yes. And here, instead of uploading a skill, I will add it by writing the skill instructions, because this way I can type the exact skill name that I want. So I will open my skill file with Visual Studio Code. This is it. Here, if you don't have this Visual Studio Code app on your computer, text edit first, like this, and I will drag this skill right here. It is not opening, or let's drag it. As you see, now it works. Instead of dragging it inside the text field, I've dragged it inside the text edit icon. And as you see, I got the skill folder or the skill. So I will copy it like this, select all. I will select it all like this, copy. Then I will go back to the skill page. I will pass the instructions here. And then I will copy this description. I will put it here, and this is the exact skill name that I want to use. But here I will add underscore or slash. I don't know why I can't name it exactly using the slash. But I think this way is enough for me. So I will delete this first part and I will start directly from these instructions. Okay, now let's hit create. And now, as you see, now the skill name is exactly what I wanted. And now, before it was slash mine directly content, now it will say mine dash content. And this is how to rename a skill on Claude. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.